Hello guys, this is premium car exhaust muffler from the brand Oshotto. It is made up of 100% stainless steel. That means it will never get rust and any type of corrosion. This will protect the original exhaust pipe from sun, rain, rusting and deformation. It also has an anti-rust black powder coating from inside that will protect it from rust corrosion during all weather seasons. Installation of this car exhaust muffler is very easy and it does not require any type of a drilling or welding. It comes with a few socket and bolts to help you to install this muffler on your car. At first you have to place the socket like this and then fix the bolt over it. And you have to do same thing with other two sockets as well. The second step is to lose the nuts little bit and then fix this muffler on the exhaust pipe. Last step is to tighten all the nuts completely. It will make your car look more sporty and stylish and also improve the exhaust knot. This premium exhaust muffler will definitely enhance the rear look of your car. This heavy quality premium muffler is also available in a blue and a chrome color. If you are fed up of using low quality exhaust muffler available in the market, then we recommend you to go for this heavy duty stainless steel exhaust muffler. Thanks for watching this video.